For beginners in real estate, 5 years or less in real estate, here are 5 scams to beware of as a tenant, buyer, or investor. And tips to avoid them. 6. Rental scams. These are mostly targeted to first-time renters, students, and those migrating. The red flags for this include 1. Owner demands payment upfront. 2. Lack of documentation. 3. Post from a social media account with no pictures. 4. Avoid sending further pictures upon request. 5. Request for payment before a property visit. To protect yourself. If you're renting, don't wire money until you're in the rental home. There's never a good reason to wire money to pay security deposit, application fee, first month's rent, or vacation rental fee. That's true even if they send you a contract first. Wiring money is the same as sending cash. Once you send it, you have no way to get it back. Number 5. Real estate agents without a license. A real estate agent with an expired license is just as problematic as one without a license. So make sure a real estate transaction is legitimate by asking your real estate agent for their license. Social media pages and testimonials don't necessarily mean that a real estate professional has their license, and a true professional probably won't mind giving their clients some peace of mind by verifying their qualifications. Real estate transactions are often both time-consuming and expensive, so it'll be worth your time investing. Number 4. Loan fraud. The red flags for this include 1. Requesting private bank information. 2. Lack of personal contact, either over phone or physically. 3. Big promises without asking background information. Although it can be intriguing when offered a loan with unbelievable interest rates, beware of offers that seem too good to be true, as they are often scams. Often introduced as mortgage agencies, fraudulent loan companies guarantee discounted loan rates for an upfront fee. If any service asks for personal details or bank information, it's probably a good idea to do further research before signing on. Any company outside of a traditional bank or well-known broker should probably be researched heavily and cross-referenced just to be safe. Number 3. Property plastic surgery. The red flags for this include 1. An unwillingness to provide routine paperwork. 2. Closed doors or taped-off sections for property. 3. Recent or unexpected cosmetic changes to the house. 4. Overselling a recently renovated area of the house. Unethical contractors and sellers will sweep problems under the rug if possible. While many sellers are respected professionals and will fully fix the issue before listing, it doesn't hurt to do your research as a buyer. Making sure a cosmetic change isn't covering up a disaster underneath could save you thousands. Looks can be deceiving, so be sure to ask for the paperwork showing that routine inspection has been performed. Number 2. Fake real estate lawyers. The red flag for this include the seller isn't aware of the lawyer. 2. The lawyer lacks a professional presence online. 3. A lawyer reaches out independent of the seller. Intelligent scam artists are capable of impersonating real estate lawyers in order to claim a percentage of a given sale for themselves. There are a few simple and easy ways to verify that a real estate lawyer is actually representing who they say that they are. For example, if a seller directly offers contact information for their lawyer, then the lawyer is likely legitimate. As a buyer, you can easily check with the seller through email, phone call, or in an in-person meeting to confirm that the lawyer matches the one that you have on file. If you're still suspicious of the lawyer after checking with the seller, you can double-check their graduation from the law school they claim to have graduated. Though this scam is relatively new and rare, doing your research can prevent an imposter from taking advantage of a real estate closing. The financial impact can be devastating, so it's likely worth the time to check the credentials. Number 1. Last-minute changes. If you receive an email asking you to wire the money ASAP, citing a busy schedule or a sudden change of a bank account, you need to flag it up to your broker or realtor straight away via phone call. Also, look for telling spelling mistakes or small inconsistencies. Even in one letter spelled wrong in the company name or website name is usually the sign of a fraud. Even if everything has gone smoothly until now, you need to be on the lookout for last-minute requests to wire you down payment or wire money to a different bank account from the one that has been agreed. This is a very common scam, and it's getting more sophisticated. Typically, scammers are able to intercept legitimate emails between a home buyer and one of the side involved in the home sale process, either a broker, a manager, or the escrow company.